Here we go, update number 3. The roofing company, 5 days later, said they would come over when it's raining next. And well, as you can see, it's not raining right now. Here's my gutters. Not anything draining down in, not even any standing water. Here was the peak of today's maybe 10 minutes of very light drizzle, not even enough to run off the roof. So they came and they were going to check it while it was raining. I had 3 guys up here, one in the attic, well actually 2 up here and 1 in the attic. They finally did a water test, quote unquote, with my hose, which was 3 minutes and 29 seconds long. A quick edit in here because I'm learning as I go with this stuff, but I did have that other company, Yellowhammer, you'll hear about them in a minute. They talked about doing a leak test on this, so this was the roofing company that I hired's version of a leak test. I called them and asked them, how long does a leak test take? He said he's never seen one take less than 20 minutes, and when there's a known leak, that's why you're doing a leak test, that usually it takes a couple of hours at least. He said you have to run it until it does leak. You already know there's a leak there, so 3 minutes and 29 seconds made him chuckle. And I would say 2 minutes of that was them spraying. And it was just kind of spraying, with a spray nozzle. They didn't fix that, so they didn't think that was a problem. I'm back up here seeing if they did anything. They weren't gonna fix, I think it was this one. Yeah, here we go. And I mean, this is just quality. I told them about the exposed nail there, and look at that. They fixed it with a glob on the ridge vent that's not even, and look at that, it's not even down there on the actual nail. I mean, what an absolute company. I guess I'm gonna have to hire another company to redo all this. No telling how much this is gonna cost me. And by the way, I had the largest company that I know of in Alabama, Yellowhammer, probably the most popular roofing company. I had them come and they weren't happy with what they saw. They said all of this flashing to them, or at least they pointed out areas in the flashing like this. They said they wouldn't have done that. They were critical of this area. Mentioned the ridge vent with the chimney this close. They wouldn't have done that since the house didn't have a ridge vent to begin with. Yes, so many things. So just to let you know, the company that I hired to do this roof, that has been okay with all the jacked up quality that I have seen, that did 3 minutes and 29 seconds of a light spray water test. Well, I mean, I say light spray. I could hear it, but I didn't go up. Oh, thunder. Maybe we'll actually get some rain. But they couldn't, in 3 minutes and 29 seconds, find a leak, so they packed it up and left. Didn't do anything else, except for me mentioning this. And that is the quality it gets. I don't know, let me zoom in here, how well you can see this. They didn't even get it on the nail. I mean, what a total junk company. I'm getting to the point that I'm going to name the company in the next video, because I'm sure there's going to be a next video. We're going to have 1.12 inches of rain tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. If I were a betting man, I would put money on the fact that it's going to leak thin. And here you go. Move this. It's bone dry. Up under there. Go all sides. Bone dry. Bone dry. And they were spraying. Remember, they're actively spraying. This area still bone dry. So my sarcophagus is working and ruled out the initial thing they tried to blame it on. Yes, sometimes you make bad decisions. I made a bad one hiring this company. That will never happen again. My father needs a new roof, and he's already said, yeah, there's no way I'm hiring them. So that's update number 4. Oh, hey, look. They at least coated that. Didn't get the nail, but they got that. So there we go. Roof update number 4. Nope. It's actually Roof Saga Part 3 as far as you're concerned, because this is the third video on this. If I've said 4 parts or any other numbers during this, just know numbers are floating around in my head because they've been out here 5 times so far. And I just got off the phone with Yellowhammer, and the picture they painted was not pretty on what it was going to cost to get this all fixed if they do it. I have no faith in this existing company, the one that did the roof. At this point, I have no faith in their ability to fix this, and I don't know that I can afford. It's going to cost more to just get this section fixed around the chimney than it costs for the entire roof. So, yeah, super frustrated. Hang tight, because there will be a part 3. Wait, we're doing part 3. There will be a part 4, and it's probably going to be a doozy. We'll see where this goes, and I hope it doesn't go anywhere. I would like an easy solution, but unfortunately, it's not looking like that's how it's going to shake out.